Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly understand what cache and cookies are. Cache store temporary files to help website load faster. Cookies save information like logins and website preferences. First, open the Google Chrome on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Clear Browsing History or Data. You will see a list of options. Make sure cookies site data is checked. Also make sure cached image and files is checked. You can leave other options unchecked unless you want to clear them too. At the bottom of the screen, tap Clear Browsing Data. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Clear Browsing Data again to confirm, and that's it. You have successfully cleared cache and cookies in Google Chrome on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.